Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to find the nth digit. Given an integer n, return the nth digit of the infinite integer sequence 1, 2, 3. It goes up to infinite numbers. Example 1. If I give me input value n is equal to 3, the third digit is 3. So 1, 2, 3 and third digit is 3. And the next example is, if I give me n value as 11, I need to find what is the 11th digit from the number 1 onwards. So here first digit, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9 and the 10th digit is 1 and the 11th digit is 0. So the output is 0. Fine. Now let's discuss the logic in detail. Now let's find the total number of single digit numbers. So from 1 to 9, we have totally how many numbers? 9 numbers. So this is pretty easy, I can find. Fine. Now 10 to 99. Totally how many 2-digit numbers are there? So 99 minus 9, which is 90. So 90 2-digit numbers are there. So those numbers have 2 digits. So 90 into 2, which is 180. Totally 180 digits are there from these two numbers. I mean between these two numbers. So here I can say 9 into 1. Why 9 into 1? Because 9 single digit number. Similarly, from 100 to 999. Totally how many 3-digit numbers are there? It's pretty simple. 900 into 3. Totally we have 900 numbers. 900 into 3 is 2700, which means we have 2700 digits between 100 and 999. So this can be written in another way as 9 into 10 power 0 into 1. And this 180 can be written as 9 into 10 power 1 into 2. So into 2 into 1 states the number of digits for each number. So this can be written as 9 into 10 power 2, that is 100. This 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2 states the starting number of each and every digit into 3. Now this helps us to find the nth digit very easily. Let's take the value of n is equal to 234. Now I am going to find what is the 234th digit. For that, what should I do in the sense? I have to take the n value that should be subtracted with the total number of single digit numbers. If the value is greater than 0, then that number doesn't lies in that range, which is I'll take 234. That will be subtracted with total number of single digit number is 9. I'll be getting the value as 225, where the value is greater than 0. So I can say that number doesn't lies in the range 1 to 9. Fine. So repeat the process. Now we have got the number 225. So that should be taken. That should be subtracted with the total number of 2-digit numbers digits. That is, we have 180 digits which is of 2-digit numbers. So when I subtract with that, I'll be getting a value called 45 that is greater than 0. So we can say that the number doesn't lies in this range also. That is, from 10 to 99 we don't have that particular number, which consists of the digit 234. Now repeat the process. 45 minus, I'm finding 3-digit numbers. So here we have 2700 digits for 3-digit numbers alone. So I'll be subtracting with the number 45. I'll be getting a value as 2655, which is a negative number. Okay, so I'll be having a negative number, whereas this value is not greater than 0. That states that 234th digit lies in this range. Okay, when we are iterating, we can easily find the total number of digits of that particular number. So here the total number of digits of the number is 3. We can find it very easily. So it is a 3-digit number for sure. Now I need to find what is that number. That is the second step we have to find. Now we have got what is the number range. Now we have to find what is that particular number. That is very simple. So the value of n is 45. I'll come out of the loop because when 45 is subtracted with the 3-digit numbers, we have got negative number. So I'll come out of the loop. So the value of n will be 45. So what I'm going to do is I am going to find the exact number which consists of 234th digit. Further, what I'm going to do is I have to find what is the starting number of that particular digit. So 3-digit number starting is 100. So it's pretty simple. 10 power total number of digit minus 1. So the total number of digit is 3 minus 1. That is 100. Okay. Plus. Okay. What should I do in this sense? The value of n. What is the value of n? 45 minus 1 divided by the total number of digits. Now we will have a question. Why am I subtracting 45 with 1? Because we are considering the number starting from 0. That is why we are subtracting it by 1. And when I divide it by the total number of digits, I will be getting the exact number, which is 10 power 2 is 100 plus 44 divided by 3. My quotient value is 14, where the exact number is 114. So the 234th digit lies in the number 114. Now I need to find out of these 3 digits which digit is exactly matching the 234th digit. For that, what should I do in the sense? Take the number 114. I have to find the exact digit. So here the first digit is on the index value 0, second digit is index value 1, and the third digit is index value 2. Here we are going to consider 0th digit, first digit and second digit. That is why we are subtracting the value by 1 here. So to find that, take the n value 45, subtract by 1 because we are starting from 0th digit. What is the remainder when I am dividing the number with total number of digits? So the remainder I will be getting is 44 divided by 3. My remainder is 2. So from 114, second index value is the answer. So what is the second index value? 4. 4 is the answer. So the 234th digit from the number 1 to it goes to infinity. The output is 4. Now let's take one more example which is given in the question. Here the value of n is equal to 11. Okay. So the value of n is equal to 11. Let's repeat the process. Okay. So I'll take the n value 11. That will be subtracted with the 1-digit number. So that is 9. 11 subtracted by 9, I'll get the value 2, which is greater than 0. So I can say the number doesn't lies in this range. Now repeat the process. The n value which we have got subtracted by 180. So here we'll get a negative value which is 178. So the number is not greater than 0. So I can say that the 11th digit lies in the range 10 to 99, which is a 2-digit number. The second step, what I have to do? I should take 10 power total number of digits, that is 2 minus 1 plus. Here I am going to find the exact number. For that, what I have to do? Take the n value. So the n value is 2, subtract by 1 and divide it by total number of digits. So 10 power 1 is 10 plus 1 divided by 2. My quotient value is 0. So 10 plus 0, the value is 10. So the 11th digit lies on the number 10. Now I am going to find which digit exactly matches the 11th digit. To find that, from the number 10, I am going to find the digit which is n value 2 minus 1 modulus total number of digits, that is 2. So here the remainder is 1. So on the index value 1, I have the exact digit. So 0 is the answer. So on the 0th index, I have the value 1. On the first index, I have the value 0. So here we have got the remainder value as 1. So on the first index, the value is 0. That is the answer. So 0 is the 11th digit. Yes, 0 is the 11th digit. That's all. This is the logic of the program. Now let's try to implement this logic as a program. So the digit value I'll initialize it as 1. Because initially we start with 1-digit number, right? We will not start with 0-digit number. We'll start with 1-digit number. That is why I'm giving the digit as 1. And what is the number of digits in interval? So digits interval I'll give. That is 9, because first is having 9, then it is having 180, then it is having 2700. It goes on like this. That's why I'm giving the value as 9. Now what I'm going to do is I'll be taking a loop. So we'll be subtracting the n value with digit interval. If the value is greater than 0, if the value is greater than 0, I'll repeat the process. Okay. Before repeating the process, I have to subtract my n value, right? For that, n equal to n minus digits interval. And parallelly, I'll increment my digit value. So digit equal to digit plus 1, which means the number doesn't lies in that range. It lies in the next digit range. So I'll be incrementing my digit value. And then I have to subtract with 180 on the next iteration. For that, digits interval equal to 9 into 10 power. So for that, math dot power 10 comma digit minus 1. So here I'll be getting a double value as my output. So that should be converted into integer. So for that, I have to typecast. So this I'll completely put it in a bracket. Fine. And that should be multiplied with the total number of digits. So this particular equation I'm writing it as a program. 9 into 10 power total number of digit minus 1 into number of digit. That is what I have written. 9 into 10 power digit minus 1 into digit. So the iteration will be keep on going. And when should I stop my iteration? For that, if n, which is digit interval, if digits interval is less than 0, I'll break my loop. Okay. Once after breaking the loop, what should I do? I have to find the exact number. So for that, int num equal to, so we have to find the base value. So before num, I have to find the base. So int base equal to math dot pow 10 comma digit. So this will return me a double value. So I am going to convert into integer. Okay. After finding the base, now I have to find the exact number. So how can I find the exact number? Int num equal to base plus n minus 1 divided by digit. This gives me the exact number. Finding the exact number. Now what I'm going to do? Extracting the digit. So how can I extract the digit? For that digit, I am going to convert the given number into string, and the string will give me the character value. So I'm going to take a data type of character, result equal to. So how to convert this integer value into string in the sense, string dot value of. So whatever the value I am passing as an argument, that will be converted into a string. In this string, I have to find the character. So character can be found by the method char at of n minus 1 modulus digit. That's all. Now the exact character will be stored in the variable result. Now I have to return as an integer value because the return type is integer. For that, return the character which we have got, result minus the character 0 will give me the exact answer. That's it. Let's run the code now. Okay, I've missed the semicolon here. So it's showing an error. Let's run once again. There is one mistake here. There is the value of n is equal to 3. Okay, we'll check what is the mistake we have made. Okay, for digit also we have to subtract by 1. To find the base value, digit minus 1. It is not the exact digit, digit minus 1. Let's run the code now. Yes, it passes the test cases. Let's submit the code. Yes, it passes all the test cases. That's all.